Yo, what is what the I screwed up that intro pretty bad. What's up, everybody? Rigby Fox here. Today we're playing Enter the Gungeon again. Hopefully it's saved, because I heard it should save. And that I shouldn't get angry at all, and it should not restart, because then I would be very sad. And then I would go jump in a hole, okay? Okay. We got that situated? Okay, you guys ready? Also, this game is compatible with a controller. Just to let you guys know. Let's do this. I got my popcorn and my tam piece here, and I have to start over. Do I? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Just keep going until I get to that second level, boys. Okay. Ow! God! Stop it, wizard! Hate wizards. Oh, hey, what's up? Oh, I didn't know he could do that. That's not fair. I didn't know he could shoot it. A yeet. I didn't know he could actually shoot that. I don't know a lot of things about this game. Ooh. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. And also, just to let you guys know, if you didn't figure out last episode, what the dog does, right here, ooh. C4 is when he barks, that means chest is a, you know, God, just don't even acknowledge what I just did. He barks at chest if they're mimics, and I do not trust this. Yeet! I pushed the wrong button. Yeet! Fuck! You know, I'm not even doing that on purpose. I honestly don't know the controls of this game that well. And I just wasted all those things. That makes me angry. Yeet! What? Yeet! I know. Yeet! Okay, boys. I think that's it for this room. Next room. Yeet, 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 yeet. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't think I'm even gonna get past the boss by this rate. I'm doing horrible. Look at my health. I ran out of the Q moves. I'm terrible. It's okay, doggy? He said it's okay. Ooh! Alien blaster? Oh, we're like in Halo, boy. Yee! It's like a Halo weapon. All those the people that play Halo out there, don't get triggered. I don't play Halo. And don't judge. Okay, I don't own Xboxes or an Xbox. Just whatever you young boys out there play. Okay, I'm not hip with the kids today. God. Pew 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 pew. I want to test something. Pew. I got dodge already. What? No. Bounced off his head. Okay. I heard that this is somehow a secret room. I don't know how to open it, but I heard that's like a secret room. Tell me if I'm wrong. I don't trust this. There's nobody in here. Hola. Oh no! You get your booty over here, boy. Back. Stay back! Pew pew pew! Uh-oh. How's he not dead? Pew 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 pew! Bye, boy. Okay. Got... Okay. Just gotta go this way, right? I don't like it. Pew. Pew. What the hell am I doing? He like went underground. He's like an ostrich. Like, did anyone else see that? You guys saw that, right? Okay. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, I don't have any keys. So, what I'll do is check the whole place for keys. If I can't find any or buy any, then I shall break it open, which will give me something, but not that great items. My C4 is all ready to go. That's perfect. Got... Okay, I guess ammo for my crossbow is fine. That's okay. Ooh. We're gonna get to the shop. I just wanted to get to the shop, man. Give me all the money. 45. Is there? Yeah. So what this guy does? Okay, so he says, "Can I pay you and like bring me something?" If you drop an item, a gun that you don't want, he will give you. He won't give you something equal, but he will give you something. Machine pistol, we got that. We got a full heart, a key, or an ammo box. We're just gonna taking that key. Wait, no. Do you guys have a heart machine? No, there's sometimes a heart machine in here where if you get those little red things that, to me, they look like bullets. They're like pieces of hearts. And if you get them and you have full health, they'll go into heart machines, which later on you can get for free. That's freaking lame. I believe what a ring of friendship does, it like, what it does is like, I believe it like makes it so there's no mimics, so the dog's just useless at this point. All he's there for is being cute now. He doesn't fight. You know what? We got this, boys. But get! Okay, we're fine. Just, I need to take a swig. Okay, boys, we got this. Shoot yourself. Apparently that doesn't count. Run! So what you do is just hide behind here. Charge this up, just go pew. 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 I keep missing. Pew, got him. Keep your butt over here. Pew, pew, pew. What is he shot? Run! Ow, how did that hit me? Come on, come on. I got him. Oh, no, 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 no. Why stand still? No. Why did I stand still? I hate this game. Okay, boys. We got this. Sorry. People are sleeping there. We got this. We got this. Okay, boys. I'm gonna do another one. See how yellow my dog is? It's like a doge. Okay. We got this, boys. Hardcore mode. Tryhard faces on right now. That money's fell in the water. Boom. Boppity. Boom. Okay. So we just go through this way. Up here. Okay. I don't like that. Ooh, ooh. No, 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 no. Oh my god, why is this level so hard? What is going on? Okay. Okay, I don't know what to do. At least I got a lot of money back. I heard there's a secret right here where we need to put out that fire with a water. So I need a water gun, and then there should be only thing in the walls and another. Ooh. Pet. Gotta pet my dog. Got him. Okay. Okay, through here. I don't like these guys. These guys are kind of easy to kill. Once they get tiny, you just do that. Because they're like one shot. But if they do hit you, they do go away. Only when they're tiny. So, armor. How much is a key? Let's take a key. I always buy keys. Let's go here. Bada bing, bada boom, boys. And yeah, hold on. I need to get something set up real quick.